In a conflict echoing the darkest days of the Cold War, a single operation has redefined modern warfare. Ukraine's Operation Spiderweb, a daring eye-driven drone assault, has not only crippled a significant portion of Russia's strategic bombers but also signaled a seismic shift in military strategy. What does this mean for the future of global conflict? Let's delve into the unprecedented events unfolding in Eastern Europe. Historically, wars were fought with boots on the ground and steel in hand. Today, algorithms and autonomous drones are at the forefront. Ukraine's recent offensive showcases how artificial intelligence is not just a tool but a game-changer in military tactics. On June 1, 2025, Ukraine launched Operation Spiderweb, deploying 117 AI-guided kamikaze drones deep into Russian territory. The mission targeted 4 airbases, resulting in the destruction of 41 aircraft, including strategic bombers, and inflicted an estimated $7 billion in damages. This operation marked a significant blow to Russia's aerial capabilities. In retaliation, Russia unleashed a massive drone offensive on Ukrainian cities, including Pryluki and Kharkiv. Tragically, 5 civilians, among them a 16-month-old baby, were killed, and numerous others injured. These strikes underscore the escalating human toll of this high-tech warfare. The success of Operation Spiderweb lies in the integration of AI with military hardware. These drones, equipped with advanced navigation systems and real-time data processing, can identify and strike targets with minimal human intervention, reducing response times and increasing precision. Ukraine's innovative use of AI in combat has caught the attention of global powers. Nations are now re-evaluating their defense strategies, leading to increased investments in autonomous weaponry and cyber warfare capabilities. This technological leap could redefine international military doctrines. Despite the escalating conflict, diplomatic efforts continue. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has expressed willingness for direct talks with Russian President Vladimir Putin. However, Russia's stringent demands, including territorial concessions, have stalled progress, leaving peace a distant prospect. As AI and advanced technologies become integral to warfare, the line between science fiction and reality blurs. Operation Spiderweb is not just a military maneuver, it's a harbinger of future conflicts where algorithms may dictate outcomes. The world watches as history unfolds in real time, reminding us that the future of warfare is already here. Despite the escalating conflict, diplomatic efforts continue. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has expressed willingness for direct talks with Russian President Vladimir Putin. However, Russia's stringent demands, including territorial concessions, have stalled progress, leaving peace a distant prospect. Before the drones took flight, Ukraine relied on commercial satellite imagery and NATO surveillance data. This space-age intelligence gathering allowed pinpoint accuracy in identifying high-value targets, showing how the battlefield has expanded into orbit. This is modern reconnaissance, where every pixel can determine life or death. The operation didn't just destroy aircraft, it shattered morale. Studies in military psychology reveal that unexpected, high-tech strikes lead to decision paralysis and internal distrust among enemy ranks. Operation Spiderweb weaponized not only drones, but fear itself. Behind the scenes, Ukraine's cyber units engaged in electronic warfare to suppress Russian radar and GPS systems. This electromagnetic duel, unseen but deadly, ensured drones slipped through undetected. In modern war, silence is not peace, it's tactical stealth. The US, UK, and several EU countries praised Ukraine's tactical brilliance, while Russia accused the West of fueling the conflict. Meanwhile, neutral nations began reconsidering their military doctrines. This isn't just a war between two countries, it's reshaping global military policy. As nations race to master autonomous warfare, a key question emerges: will humans stay in control? Military strategists warn of a future where machines may make split-second life or death decisions. Operation Spiderweb may be the first chapter in a new rulebook of war, one written in code, not diplomacy. Not every drone was built to kill. Many were designed as decoys, cheap, fast, and expendable. These drones drew enemy fire and activated Russian air defenses prematurely, allowing the real strike force to slip through. It's a strategy rooted in historical battlefield deception, updated for the digital age. Every destroyed bomber wasn't just military damage, it was a financial earthquake. Russia's long-range bombers cost millions to replace, and insurance markets are reacting. Meanwhile, Ukraine's low-cost drones reveal a chilling economic truth: in modern war, the cheaper army might just be the deadliest. Just hours after the attack, Russian telegram channels speculated there may have been a mole inside their own ranks. How did Ukraine know the precise times and locations of so many aircraft? Was this brilliant satellite intel, or a breach from within? History shows us. Every great war has its spies. As Ukraine rewrites the playbook of war with drones and data, one truth becomes clear. This isn't just about borders anymore. It's about the future of power, strategy, and survival in a world where science now dictates who wins the fight. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, uncover the hidden layers of modern conflict, and understand the forces shaping our world, subscribe to Decoding History and Science, where every battle has meaning and every discovery matters.